as the golden Mediterranean sun begins its gentle descent. An ancient Roman villa emerges from the hillside like a dream made of honey-colored stone. Here, where time moves to older, quieter rhythms, peace has been waiting for nearly 2,000 years. Lavender grows in purple waves beside silver-leaved sage and fragrant rosemary. Each plant chosen not just for beauty, but for its ancient ability to calm the mind and soothe the spirit. The very air becomes a gentle healing embrace. Water bubbles gently from ancient stone, creating ripples that catch the light like liquid gold. The fountain's song has been unchanged for centuries, a conversation between water and stone that speaks directly to the soul, slowing the heartbeat, deepening the breath. As evening approaches, the warm stones begin to release the day's accumulated sunshine. Gentle breezes carry the night-blooming jasmine's perfume through courtyards, where shadows grow long and soft, inviting deeper rest. Under a canopy of ancient stars, the villa reveals its deepest gift, the remembrance that peace is our natural state. Here, cradled by warm stone and cooled by gentle breezes, the soul remembers what it means to be truly, deeply at rest. Welcome to the Sleep Story Haven, where every story is a gentle journey to peaceful dreams. Take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let tonight's tale carry you home to tranquility.